Today we are talking all about razors. I'm going to compare two fan favorites from Gillette, the Simply Venus Razor and the Venus Breeze Razor. Whether you're looking for something budget friendly or a razor that gives you that ultra smooth luxurious shape, I will be putting both to the test. By the end of the video, you will know which one suits your shaving style the best. So let's dive right in. How to shave your arms or hands using the Gillette Simply Venus Razor. This razor is priced at ₹60. It is a nice baby pink colored razor. It has 3 blades in it. It is a use and throw razor. I've been using this razor for 2 months. This is my second purchase. When I bought the first razor, I did not store it properly and the blade got rusted. So in this video, I am going to show you how to use the razor and store it for longer life. This is how my arm look right now. I have hair growth. It is not that long but quite long to be removed. So let's do it. First you need to apply soap or body wash or a foam that you have. Anything of this sort will work. I use a foaming face wash. Glide the razor against the direction of hair growth. When done, rinse your arm with water. Instantly, I could feel the smoothness and softness in my skin. Now wash the razor under tap water. Wipe it with a tissue paper. Let it air dry for an hour. After 1 hour, close the blade with the cap provided and keep it back in its place. This is how the box looks like. This box is priced at ₹325, but you can always get this on offer. This box is holographic and of very good quality. It comes with a seal. This is how it looks. It has a tiny little plastic box to open. Let's see what's inside this. It has the blade along with the gel bars attached to it. These gel bars are nothing but just soap bars. Since it comes with a gel bar, we don't need a separate soap or foam to shave a body. And that's the handle. This has a rubber grip to make sure there's no slip while gliding. And lastly, there's an instruction manual. So these are the contents of the box. Now let's move on to the demo. This is how you will have to attach the razor blade with the handle. Just give it a push and you're done. I have quite some amount of hair growth on my hand. Not too much, but good enough to be removed. The instruction says to first hydrate the skin with water. For that I am spraying some water on my hand. The procedure can also be done while in shower. Now I am gliding the Venus razor against the direction of my hair growth. You can see the gel bar came in contact with the water and foams up. Now I am done. It hardly took me a minute to shave my hand. Now I will rinse my hand with water and be back. It's kind of gross to show this on camera, but we got to do what we got to do. So this is the amount of the hair it removed. I'm going to repeat the same procedure on my other hand too. Now my hands feel very soft and very smooth, guys. It feels like a baby's skin. There's absolutely no pain, no irritation and no discomfort whatsoever. The instruction says to apply moisturizer after shaving and we are done. That's our wrap on the comparison between the Gillette Simply Venus Razor versus the Gillette Breeze Razor. Both have their unique strengths. So it really comes down to what works the best for your shaving style. Whether you prefer the simplicity of the Simply Venus or the extra comfort of the Breeze, it's all about your personal preference. Let me know in the comment section which one you're leaning towards or if you have tried both. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until next time, take care.